Namaste Hari Om. I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you at Bharat Yoga English. 11 days, 11 practices of Bharat Yoga Gatis. So we have learned few of these standing Gatis in previous 3 days, and today we are going to learn one very important Gati to keep your mental health better. Now we are learning Anand Gati, and as I told you that these Gatis are being created at Mokshaitan Yog Sansthan by Gurudev Swami Bharat Bhushan Ji, and these Gatis are meant to give relief to humankind. Easy, very easy to practice. You don't need to hold a posture for that. You can do it with the movement, and these are wonderful practices to bless you with overall health. So Anand Gati, as the name itself says, this is a practice which gives you bliss, which helps you in achieving a blissful state. So if you suffer from the problem of insomnia or inability to sleep, or you cannot concentrate or anything, or you have memory issues, so memory, wisdom, intelligence, sleeplessness, mental health, depression, anxiety, stress, tension, and also it is helpful in maintaining your spinal health. So such a wonderful Gati, and it takes you to a state of trance. And also this is not a meditation, but it is a meditative Gati because it gives you effects of the meditation. So for Anand Gati, either we sit in Padmasana. Those who cannot perform Padmasana can do it in cross-legged position, or this is the Ardha Padmasana. You can do it like this. If you cannot even do Ardha Padmasana, you can just sit in Chokri Marke, Betna, or the cross-legged position. So open your hands in such a way that all your fingers are in different directions, and keep your spine straight. And from here, we are going to give a pendulum-like movement from our waist and of course spine. So close your eyes, take your body towards right and left, and right and left, and right and left, right, left. During this practice, we have to mentally chant Pranav or Om. So Om. So this chanting has to be mental. You don't have to pronounce it like I did, because I did it just to show you. So come back to the base position, bring your hands down and just relax. Now slowly open your eyes. No hurry to open your eyes because the whole body is in a state of trance and your mind is in a state of trance. So you just suddenly can't open your eyes. Stay quiet with your closed eyes for some time and then gently open your eyes. So that's all about Anand Gati. Anand Gati is a wonderful practice, and you all must include it in your day-to-day practice. Now, if you talk about people who cannot sit on floor, how do they practice Anand Gati? So you can practice this Anand Gati sitting on a chair as well. That's all for today. Don't forget to join me tomorrow at 7 p.m. and we will be learning more Bharat Yoga Gatis. We will be learning complete 11 Gatis this International Day of Yoga. Lots of love, light and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om.